feel like you're going to get some relief with all the conversations you've been having the last couple of days?
We don't know. We don't know how it's going to play out. We just know that this was the first opportunity she's ever been given to answer questions about what happened. And so the truth will come out about what happened with Mr. Epstein, and she's the person who's answering those questions.
And could this affect her appeal?
The president today reminded people he has the power to pardon Ghislaine Maxwell. Is that something that you're going to be asking for?
We haven't asked for anything. This is not a situation where we're asking anything in return for testimony or anything like that. Of course, everybody knows Miss Maxwell would welcome any relief. She's been in very difficult conditions for 5 years, and so she would welcome any relief. It's the right thing to do, and we have faith that the right thing will happen sooner rather than later.
Did you get
Was there an ask from?
I'm sorry?
Did you get a sense of what the goal of the interview was?
The goal is the truth. It's time for the truth to come out.
David, did she or you have an ask of the Deputy Attorney General?
No. There have been no asks and no promises, and nothing like that has been made.
What's the next step for in her process then?
Well, Congress has subpoenaed her to testify. We have to make a decision about whether she will do that or not. That's been scheduled for the week of August 11th, and we haven't gotten back to them yet on whether we'll do that.
You had said it was going to be based on how this meeting with the Deputy Attorney General went. Are you satisfied with how it went, and how would that inform your decision to participate in Congress?
I think Ghislaine did a wonderful job. She literally answered every question. She didn't say, you know what, don't ask me that. I'm not going to talk about this person. She was asked maybe about 100 different people. She answered questions about everybody, and she didn't hold anything back.
But
Was there
isn't
any
the
new
incentive
information that came out from this interview that wasn't discussed during the trial, or?
Oh, the trial. There was so little discussed at the trial. A lot of people have said, well, why didn't she testify at trial? The case wasn't proven at trial. She has a Fifth Amendment right. Very different situation. I was surprised to hear folks that know better saying she should have testified at trial. That's silly. When the government doesn't prove their case, you don't testify. And so she didn't testify at trial, but it's a different situation now.
with the president even invoking the word pardon today, does she have an incentive to just tell the Deputy Attorney General what he wants to hear?
No, because she wants to tell the truth, because the truth can be corroborated or disproven. If she lies, they could charge her with lying.
They did charge her with perjury.
That was dropped. They did charge her with that. That was dropped. And it's interesting, right? Because the Southern District of New York had a very specific view of the case and charged her in a way that we believe was disproven and wrong. And that's what one of our goals is now, is to try to show how they got it wrong.
If she is seeking a pardon, how do you go about doing that now with a potential congressional testimony pending, with more with the Deputy Attorney General?
We're going to take one day at a time. I know that's very cliche, but it's true because things are happening so quickly. We haven't spoken to the president or anybody about a pardon just yet. And listen, the president this morning said he had the power to do so. We hope he exercises that power in the right and just way. Thank you. That's all I have for now.
Can I have a